Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a culinary revolution with our collection titled Discover Innovation Kitchen Organization Tips, where efficiency meets elegance in the heart of your home. Uncover a wealth of transformative ideas to go beyond conventional organization, maximizing both space and style. From ingenious storage solution to clever compartmentalization, these tips redefine the way you approach kitchen organization. Explore the heart of utilizing every nook and cranny, creating a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Witness the integration of smart organizational tools like pull-out pantry shelves and magnetic spice racks that elevate your kitchen's efficiency. Whether you have a compact kitchen or a spacious culinary haven, these tips cater to diverse spaces and layouts. Immerse yourself in the details of drawer dividers, stackable containers, and labeled storage, offering a visual symphony of order and accessibility. Discover how strategic placement of utensils, pots, and pans can transform your cooking space into a streamlined and visually pleasing environment. Join us on a journey where every tip becomes a culinary elevation, turning your kitchen into an organizational masterpiece that inspires both cooking prowess and aesthetic delight. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.